Ntswaki ke sefemo no sa ne ke tsa 16 o ha o tle ke tlo ga ke la bala o nwang
ke batla o tla
ha o nwang
ke no
Boruthane Boruthane ke eng jwale Ntswaki
ha o tsebe Boruthane wena Boruthane futhi
Boruthane futhi ke Ntswaki
Boruthane futhi ngizama elikolokothi leli pinkinyana
elikolokothi leli ke Boruthane futhi Ntswaki si Boruthane futhi
Definitely speed limit is below 60 there, but hey, 60. You're welcome to Mzansi's funniest video as I bring you smiles and laughs. Enjoy.
Ne emara banyana la magatsa shem haya le go bereka marabo boyfriend le bereko ka re Jesu o etla ka osane kadala ke re kadala ke bolele ka wena ba
Leka.
Enjoy it while it
Okay,
lasts.
ke nna Cynthia.
Hello, Cynthia.
Ne ke ratile go ba makoti.
How so?
Lona. Ka nnete hle.
How?
Ha lena ngwana moshimane.
nna ba ke wa ka unyetse
O nyetse? Ha nya ke mosadi a bobedi, a lena madi a boroshi. Go go bolena.
emabi
Ka nnete. Nka se monyake tšhelete, a nka se demand, nka se monyake tšhelete, ke no nyaka lerato fela. Ga lena yena ngwana. A ke na payslip, ke no zula mo ke zulang.
Mamzo.
Okay, if ke a bereka ga le tla dumela.
ya tshwantse o tlise something
Sa tse ke yena sa tšhelete.
uzimba inyama yomncabo nami ndagulela
Baba.
Ma uthi unengane
Yebo nginengane.
inanga
Leyokuqala
hayi yeke
hawu.
ma uthi unengane
Yebo nginengane.
inanga
Leyokuqala
hayi yeke
hawu.
Inyama
Yeke.
engaka? Yonke.
good morning
Exit. Shapuzela.
makoti ma soliphekile ipalishi njengoba ngukucelile yo I thought you said I must order McDonald's. And it's 5 minutes away.
Babe angisho uyeza namhlanje.
Yo mbali ngine appointment no doctor.
Ikhansela musibhebe umtshela ukuthi uyagula.
Uyahlanya wena ngoba ngiyagula vele.
Oh uyagula kanti. Oh angisho ngizwa ukuthi une appointment babe.
Doctor.
Angisho ngiyagula. Hawu.
Oh bengithi appointment.
Ukuthi ngiyagula leyo appointment angisho.
Nawe ke nabathu. Hayi.
Nawe.
Marco Botswana 1 rand ke pula. Ke show 100 rand ke sifako. Nan 1 million. Mataka di.
Ende enye into imali ayikho ebafanele isemsebenzini. Ngitshele nalaba ba offline. Sharp.
Ngizositshela ngokuthi ngifuna abantu bangaphandle. Kahle yithi singabonakali. Kahle ufuna ukuthini lo baba? Mhlambe khona afuna ukusixoxela yona no ningayenzi kanjalo. Cela ukukhuluma naye straight. ungayenzi kanjalo. Don't be those. Those funa umsebenzi.
Baba Nkiba, a sa khona le bua maka go midrand o. A sa khona le go midrand bua maka o tla o go ga ke midrand pobe. Ai, ba bona.
Yo. HP.
Ikucenga indoda omXhosa mfana uyive isithi oyini na muntu wami oyini na baba khawundiphi mani oyini baby torho khawundiphi mani ndiyacela muntu wami uthi uyiphe kube khona besuthu ondade hayi ukuyivelano ithi hayi wena usabathi umphawu wethu wena iroqekana nemthwe wena esiko unjebe hantle nna ke ja ntho tse bete go na le wena ebile go etsa favor uqale abesuthu bacengi abesuthu usabathi umphathwela wena inoqekana lemthwe ngikgang wena.
Hey into singayisigetshane lapha ngithi ngiqoke impahla zami wena qhamuka ukuthi idiaparo ithi ubiza impahla zami ngayithenga kahle uthi wena idiaparo ngithi manje uthi athi ngisendlini uthi wena ngontlongu mina indlu njalo njengowe ubiza ngokuthi wena ontlongu wena yabani hayi fanele ngiyeza kejani ibhadi ngithi ngilalele ngumnumzane ngicambalele kind of a way kind of a thing uthi wena ngirobethi sho kimi mina ngirobethi angithi mina ngise toilet uthi wena ngonhlunyanyana mina yini inhlunyanyana ushada la
uze umuntu athi ayabona Jonyana lo guy akanamali ngathi ubroke uyo enduthana ngamasimba lezo sikhathi ukhuluma umuntu ongenayo ngisho umatric uzotshela umntana abantu ukuthi akanamali unani wena
imali nomjolo mara
ba re ke le lwetse ho tsela e ampelong ya mosadi e feta bankeng ke re ba
imali
amfethu mona usheba ngwana wena ga tla o chaisa wena wetsa
passenger
ke ya o chae mona sheba ngwana shit ema ntwana hello mamas fere wena vaya wena kabubi
passenger
ntwana ushebe o khanna wena o khanna jwang wena ses
nare ba tona tle bathong o re ha ke ratana le wena ha ke batho mo re mphakela nya ebile o bua ka bo morning baby o senda dipelo motshega rotla I love you baby I miss you baby nna se itse re se hitile o re ha ke ratana le wena no ke batla di message tse di tlhoahetseng di message di tshwa le bo o tle ka sukiri finish
baby cousin wami ufikile ufike nini
Akafikanga
ufikile okanye akafikanga
ndithi kalokubusi ufikile
akafikanga
ufikile
so uphike
akafikanga
yewethu ndiyabuza ufikile
nami nditsho njena akafikanga ufikile
hayi man akafikanga okanye
ufikile akafikanga ufikile
unjani kanti
ndiphilela khondo kunjani
batho ndudu re tsoga ka dikapatšhilo wena o tsoga ka biri Clara dudu o tsoga ka biri o imetswe eng o le mokananyana o sentse o rana parental care o imelo o ne se na le ngwana mo lehatsheng
Let's say I like my girlfriend. Can I get this for her?
Arenang o rata girlfriend ya ge minona hai so o kgone e berekisana. He says he don't understand you.
No,
understand her. He says he don't understand you.
You don't understand me?
No. I say is he talking to you?
He says he's talking to you.
Sorry?
Is he talking to you? He's explaining to you.
Is he explaining to you?
No, it's all right. Yes, you can.
He says yes, you can.
Oh, yes, I can. So, for my girlfriend, and then will she like it? You guys speak English? Okay. Yeah.
Phone in the pocket.
I just wanted to ask, like, what is this white stuff on the road?
He says, "Obato itsore ke eng dilo tse di white mo bogotho."
I see. Okay. It looks like so familiar though, eh?
Are o ka re ya tshwanela la nyana so.
You guys scared we're gonna rob you or something?
Yep.
She says you can read there and you'll get the answer.
Oh, the thing is I can't read. I can
I
only
say I
speak
kan nie Engels lees nie. I kan net Engels praat.
Okay, read for him.
She says read for him and tell him.
You
must read for him.
You read for him.
She says you read for him.
When I hit my teeth if I
net weet as hierdie nie
Yeah, it's
satana
gonna
seer
be-
sal maak nie.
Yeah.
She says
Yeah, it's gonna hurt you, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna hurt you.
Let's this thing, bro.
Leave this thing, bro.
I must leave it.
What's up, bro? Are you okay? You? Are you okay?
So if I were to eat it, would it like damage my teeth?
Are nang ha ka e ja nang e tlo senya meno a hae nang.
I speak English.
She says she speak English.
Yeah,
I'm understanding him.
Yeah.
She says she's understanding you.
Yeah, but I am speaking English.
Yeah,
too.
that's why I'm asking. Why is he?
Translating.
Oh, she says why is he translating?
Why is he translating to us?
Why is he translating to us?
Oh, I'm just asking about the sweets.
Yeah, I know, but he's speaking another language.
This is
isn't it?
toughy, right?
He says he knows, but
Okay,
you're
No, he's
speaking a
speaking to
different language. So, what's the other way I can? Because I really like this flavor.
So in watter ander manier kan hy maak van hy
must
like
just
it.
suck it, bro.
He say you must just
And
suck
not chew
it,
it.
bro. And not
But
chew it.
I don't like to suck things.
Hy hou nie om goed te suig nie.
I don't know.
He says, hey, he doesn't know, bro.
Is sucking the only option?
Hy sê 'n suiging die enigste manier hoe om dit te eet.
Yeah, I think so, bro.
He says,
My
I think
opinion.
so. His opinion.
So, would you suck it?
Suig peel.
I'm not even.
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Okay, I just wanted to ask, can I make mkomboti with this thing?
He's asking if utokhonetsa mkomboti ka this thing.
We don't know.
She says she doesn't know.
Oh, you don't know?
No.
Have you ever had mkomboti?
Are salowa no mkomboti na?
No.
Where are you from?
Are o tswa ko kae?
What language are you speaking?
She says, what language are you speaking?
Oh, I'm speaking English.
I'm speaking English. What language
What
are you speaking?
English? What language are you speaking?
I'm speaking English.
He's speaking English.
Yena ufunda isiZulu na.
Ati, are you learning in Zulu?
Oh no, I'm not learning Zulu. Yeah. You can speak Zulu?
A little bit.
Wow. Yeah, that's dope. That's dope. We're actually shooting a prank video.
Oh, you are?
Does this mean that if I use this item, I won't grow nails anymore?
Sorry?
Boom. Nothing. No word. Actually, Keith and his crew, like, they're very, very funny. And I met him a few days back. Yeah, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for your support. See you on the next upload. Azish.